Hello guys, today I want to show you quickly or remind you the difference between two PHP operators, these ones. So this is called ternary operator or short syntax for ternary operator, and this is called null coalescing operator. And on the surface you can use both, for example, if querying eloquent model like this. So show value or empty, show value or empty. And if we launch that in my Tinkerwell, both are empty. So does it mean they work the same way? Not exactly. And I will show you the difference partially based on examples that I saw on Twitter by Punyapal Shah. So he had a tweet with different values. I will demonstrate partially similar thing, but in different order and with different variables. So let's uncomment all of that and comment these ones. So different variables, a string, number 1, true. So basically something exists. Other group of variables, false, empty string, null, and 0. And also eloquent query, which doesn't return any result. So let's test the same thing on all those values and all those variables. For each of the values, one operator and another operator. Let's launch and see what happens, and then I will comment the results. So we launch, and the results are pretty different, aren't they? So first, they're kind of elephant in the room. These values, string 1 or true, they both return as they should return the values. So they are not empty, any of those. But then these ones behave a bit differently. Again, we already saw that this one is identical, would be empty and empty. But then other ones, false, and all the other ones are empty if you use ternary operator. But they are not empty if you use null coalescing operator. And the answer is the name of the operator, null coalescing operator. So only in case of null, it actually returns this value. So null, or in the case of eloquent model, for example, value, is also returning null. So in other words, this operator of ternary checks if the value is true or contains something, some value. Otherwise, it is empty. In this case, empty means only null. So any other value, 0, empty string, false, or any other value means not empty. In other words, not null. And real practical examples of these depend on your application, so I cannot show all of them, but I hope this kind of reminder and comparison will give you some thought which one to use to show something in the blade file or assign the default value in controllers or models or whatever. That's it for this short tip. Subscribe to the channel to get more daily ones, and see you guys in other videos.